The Palm Cockatoo is the rock star of the bird world. Not for its looks, which are kind of metal, but because it makes music using drumsticks. To impress a potential mate, males perform a courtship display involving deep bows and foot stomping. But it's his drumming that really showcases his individual style. Snapping off a stick in a display of strength, he performs a drum solo, hitting it against a tree. Each male has his own distinct rhythm or drumming style. It's this musical creativity that has given the Palm Cockatoo its nickname, the Ringo Starr of the bird world. The originality doesn't end there. The cockatoo's instruments are as individual as the bird that made them. They don't copy each other's design. They create drumsticks according to their own unique tastes.